Tucked away in a highly desirable East Glenview dead-end street, welcome to 724 Becker Road. This all-stone home sits on nearly half-acre and was built with uncompromising quality. Step inside to soaring ceilings, limestone tiled cherry hardwood floors, and intricate moldings throughout. The office is truly something special. Coffered ceilings, rich mahogany built-ins, and is just the right mix of form and function. The heart of the home is a true cook's kitchen with a huge island, top-tier appliances, and a sunroom that brings in the beautiful light. The first floor, fifth bedroom with ensuite is ideal for visiting parents and guests. The main level mudroom is the perfect spot to corral both kids and pets. Let's head upstairs to check out the rest of the bedrooms. The primary suite is a serene retreat with 2 walk-in closets and a spa-worthy bath finished in marble, a steam shower, soaking tub, and radiant heated floors. You'll also find 3 more bedrooms on the second level with 2 additional bathrooms. This home is private, polished, and move-in ready. Now the lower level really brings the fun. A movie theater prepped for your next movie premiere. There's also a custom wine cellar, workout room, 6-bedroom, and oversized stone window wells that flood the space with natural light. And outside, you have a gardener's delight with a fully fenced private backyard, perfect for summer entertaining. Thoughtfully designed and impeccably built in one of East Glenview's most desirable neighborhoods.